Welcome to Koh Samui, Thailand, a paradise known for its pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and luxurious living. Today, we step inside the Adrisa Residence, a masterpiece of design that seamlessly blends with the island's natural beauty. Nestled amidst the exclusivity of Kaya Estates, a gated community on Bophut Hills, lies the Adrisa Residence. This private haven boasts a sprawling 1,400 square meters of living space, making it a true testament to expansive luxury. But what truly sets the Adrisa Residence apart is its location. Bophut Hills, known for its low density and breathtaking scenery, offers unparalleled privacy and panoramic vistas. Here, the residence enjoys spectacular views of the eastern and northern ocean, with the majestic western mountains completing the picture. And for those who love to indulge in a refreshing dip, an L-shaped pool awaits. It features a 25-meter lap pool for exercise and a 16-meter family pool complete with a jacuzzi, conveniently located right in front of the living room for ultimate relaxation. When it comes to prioritizing comfort and enjoyment, the Adrisa Residence takes it to the next level. Bedrooms and the living area are strategically positioned on the northwest corner, the prime spot for capturing the stunning scenery. Imagine waking up to panoramic views or relaxing in the living room while the ocean and mountains paint a mesmerizing backdrop. The architects behind the Adrisa Residence faced a unique challenge. To preserve the spectacular panoramic views, they had to eliminate any structural interruptions from the bedrooms and living area. Their solution? Removing corner structures. This bold design choice creates a truly unobstructed view, allowing the residents to fully immerse themselves in the magnificent landscape. However, such a design comes with its own set of engineering considerations. With only 3 structural support points in each room, a special approach was necessary. Soaring ceilings add a sense of grandeur, while carefully curated furniture pieces exude elegance and comfort. Further enhancing the sense of openness is the central courtyard. This ingenious element not only brings natural light deep into the house but also creates a captivating sequence from the main entrance all the way through to the living area. The Adrisa Residence is more than just a luxurious home, it's a testament to thoughtful design that integrates seamlessly with its surroundings. The architects have created a space that allows its residents to truly connect with the beauty of Koh Samui. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of the ocean, spending your days surrounded by breathtaking scenery, and indulging in luxurious amenities. Every detail, from the finest materials to the carefully considered design elements, has been meticulously chosen to create a haven of comfort and sophistication. Expansive windows bathe the interior in natural light, further blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors and allowing the breathtaking scenery to become a part of the living experience. On the underground and first floor, the architects utilized concrete with long cantilevers at the corners. As we move to the second floor, the structure transitions to steel, cleverly combining into a truss system. This innovative approach allows for a 7-meter cantilever while minimizing structural presence at the corner, maintaining the uninterrupted view. While the main focus is on maximizing the living space above ground, the home doesn't neglect functionality. The service area, discreetly hidden underground and at the back of the house, ensures a seamless flow above while providing ample space for essential functions. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home. The vision behind the Adrisa Residence was to create an uninterrupted connection with the surrounding beauty. To achieve this, the architects employed a clever design strategy. Notice how a portion of the building is elevated to the second floor. This not only maximizes the ocean and mountain views but also allows for a spacious, open area on the northwest corner. Removing corner structures presented a unique structural challenge. With only 3 support points per room, a special design was required to ensure the building's integrity. The ingenious solution lies in the combination of materials and techniques. The first and underground floors utilize a strong concrete foundation with strategically placed long cantilevers at the corners. The second floor, however, employs a lightweight steel structure combined with a truss design to achieve a remarkable 7-meter cantilever while minimizing the need for corner support. This innovative approach ensures the structural integrity of the building while maintaining the desired expansive views.